Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing really well. So today I thought I would do an autumn makeup look. Excuse that spot on my face, it's a horror. But anyway, let's get into it. So first off, I'm starting with the Barry M primer. It's the Beauty Elixir and it is awesome. I'm going to be doing a review video on it soon, so watch out for that. And then next I'm just taking the 24 Hour Superstay foundation by Maybelline. I'm also mixing it with another foundation, but I'm also going to be doing a video about that, so don't want to spoil anything.
I know you know it, I know you know it, I know. In the late night, when the lights out, can't escape now.
And then I'm taking the Collection Sheer Loose powder and just setting my face. And then I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with brownies from the Soft Does Nails Extra Spice palette. And then on a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to be taking Cheesecake, which is that shade there, and just putting it through my crease. Don't worry too much about blending at this point. Just make sure that the colour is down. And then I'm taking cookie dough next to it to just soften out the edges a little bit. And then I'm taking my beauty blender to do it even more because I want it to be quite a soft look, even though it's really intense colours.
We'll say we'll cease fire and put our weapons down. Days gone fading, hearts still.
And then I'm taking Enchanted just on my finger and I'm just popping that all over the lid. But it didn't come out as well as I thought it was going to, so then I take a brush and just blend it in with that lovely cheesecake colour. And then I'm just taking the sparkly shimmer colour next to it on the palette and I'm just popping that on top to give it a burst of colour. And then again just going in with cookie dough to just soften everything out. And then taking Bad Girl Bang by Benefit, I'm just popping that on. This really brings the look together. I love this mascara so much. And then I'm taking this bronzer from L'Oreal, which I thought smelled amazing but then it didn't. I'm just carving out my cheekbones and my forehead. And because it's a super glam look, I also took it on my nose to just make sure I'm sister snatched. And then I'm taking California by Benefit and just popping that on my cheeks too. Just warm it up a little bit. And then from the Revolution Opulence blush, I'm taking the highlight on the top and look how stunning it is. It is just gorgeous. I was shook, as you can see. And then I'm just softening everything out with my beauty blender and I'm taking that highlighter everywhere because I absolutely loved it. And then this is by Douchey. That's probably not what it's called. But it's called like Douche, I don't know. And it's this gorgeous lip stain that I've literally used to death, which is why the colour isn't as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. So that's why I frown quite a lot in this clip. I'm not entirely sure about it, but I absolutely love it so much. And that is the finished look. It's very, very glam, very, very extra. So I hope you guys like it, but it's filled with all of the autumn colours that you could want. It's really super glowy and bronzy, and it's just very, very glam. And that's what we want in life. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. You are literally the best. Please leave me a comment below of anything that you would like me to do soon. Any videos that you would like me to do, please subscribe to. That would just be amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!